up YouTube? So today we are going to be installing a Type R wing on my 2002 Acura RSX. So I'm not going to spend too much time on the intro, so we're just going to get right into it. So first thing you guys want to do, most people won't have this on the RSX, but mine already came with the wing on it. So if we open the trunk up, we got to get these little bolts out from underneath here and then install that one on these, which is good because I don't have to freaking drill holes and make room for the wing. So hopefully this lines up with these right here. So to get these little bolts out, I'm gonna be using the 10mm on these, and then we're gonna try to get these off to get the old wing off and install a new one. Come it off. And now we gotta get the other side. But this one is freaking stuck. Now that we got all these bolts off, you should come right off. Probably wasn't the smartest idea, but now we gotta put the new one on. What I recommend doing is getting like a rag and like water and wiping this down just to clean this off. So we get, just so this sticks, just so this gets on there clean. I want to test the fitment, see, make sure it fits. Looks good to me. And then we're gonna open the trunk back up and then get the screws from underneath on there. I would recommend having somebody help you hold the trunk up, because trying to hold this and see if the drills and stuff fits, a hassle. So I had to do this off camera. Why is there a plane coming right now? But what I did was connect one screw here and one here, because I can't do it with the camera, holding a camera in my hand. So let's get these tightened up. Not too, I wouldn't tighten them too tight, but just a little bit so we can get it just a little bit in there, just so we can test the fitment. Make sure. Now once you tighten everything up, it should be on there completely. You want to just check these bolts in now, see if the trunk closes. let's look at that. That's clean. Now, the best part right here. Mess it up. It don't matter. It's on. Now, the finished product with all the bolts tightened up on there. Enjoy that video. That's it. It's gonna be a short one because it's just pretty easy to do. If you don't, I got this one off eBay, so I'm gonna link where I got it down below in the comments or down below in the description, so make sure you check that out. I highly recommend this one. Also comes with a light on it at the bottom, the brake light, but I don't know how to, I'm gonna figure out how to do that later. I just wanted to get it on, so you have to do that. Maybe, you know, another video I'll show you how to do it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and also follow my Instagram and TikTok, which we'll put up on the screen somewhere, and also be in the description down below. And also, next video I'll be putting on front bumper on here. So yeah, thanks for watching.